Full-Stack Assurance use case, noisy neighbor in the telco cloud. In this use case for EXFO's Full-Stack Assurance solution, we consider how a cloud-native network function process can consume more resources than expected, causing issues such as added latency in inter-process communications, increased power draw, and other problems with resource contention with other cores in the CPU and negatively impacting other seemingly unrelated network functions. Known as the noisy neighbor problem, it occurs quite naturally in cloud environments as CPU cores compete for shared resources such as cache, memory, and network I/O. Noisy neighbors can occur on the same CPU core, a different core in the same socket, or on a sibling CPU core. EXFO's Full-Stack Assurance solution is particularly effective for enabling root cause analysis of service degradations caused by noisy neighbor scenarios. The starting point for analysis is the key performance indicator. In this case, the connection time between user equipment and the access and mobility management function, or AMF, has gone outside of performance bounds. Prior to the EXFO solution, it was extremely difficult to determine the nature of the problem and its causes, as there simply wasn't enough contextual data, such as IP addresses or container names, from the underlying infrastructure to effectively troubleshoot the issue. Developed in collaboration with Intel, EXFO's Full-Stack Service Assurance solution combines infrastructure observability with telecom-specific, machine learning-enabled analytics and anomaly detection. The EXFO Adaptive Assurance Platform correlates this performance data and provides the missing context to connect the dots between service and infrastructure performance and identify the root cause. The ASA platform enables the association of infrastructure conditions with specific network function KPIs to make full-stack root cause analysis possible. Intel Platform Telemetry Insights provides visibility into the performance of the underlying CPU, cores, and cache, as well as Kubernetes, Linux OS, and other infrastructure software. This data is paired with synthetic active test data from the EXFO microverifier and then fed to the machine learning-driven analytics engine. For our noisy neighbor use case, a process was run to stress the CPU every 10 minutes. The peaks in the chart correspond to those stresses. However, the context is initially missing. Without the EXFO ASA platform, the information cannot be related to a root cause to support subsequent remedial action. After integrating on-demand performance data from the microverifier, we can see that the EXFO Analytics solution has identified performance issues with network functions running on the same CPU and on a sibling CPU, indicating where there is a strong correlation between a KPI degradation and an observation on infrastructural load and workload deployment. It correctly identified that the workload colocation deployment model drove excessive memory bandwidth demands and increased cache misses, resulting in delayed execution. In collaboration with Intel, EXFO delivers full-stack visibility of cloud-native network infrastructure, enabling a superior user experience across complex 5G networks.